Have you ever wondered how Arduino can detect a shake and respond instantly? In today's lesson, we are going to make a fun project where a simple shake sensor changes the color of an RGB LED every time you move it. Welcome to lesson 12 of the Arduino for Beginners series. You'll learn how this sensor works and get hands-on experience building a colorful interactive project. Sounds fun? Let's get started. A tilt sensor detects the orientation or movement of an object. You can find them in many applications from aerospace and automotive systems to everyday consumer electronics. There are different types of tilt and motion sensors. Accelerometer-based sensors measure gravity and detect inclination. Gyroscope-based sensors detect rotation. Vibration-based tilt sensors like the one we use today detect motion through mechanical movement. Our focus is the vibration-based tilt sensor, often called a shake sensor. Inside, there is a small metallic ball or spring that connects and disconnects two internal pins whenever the sensor shakes. Some models detect motion in only one direction, while others detect movement in all directions. For this lesson, we'll use a shake sensor from the Mind+ Arduino coding kit. It detects movement in one direction and has a strong anti-shock capability, making it perfect for our interactive LED project. If you're curious about the Mind+ Arduino coding kit, it's a complete set for beginners. It includes sensors, jumper wires, and even an LCD screen. Everything you need to start building fun Arduino projects. This kit is provided by DF Robot, the sponsor of this series. DF Robot is a global leader in robotic components, offering products from simple sensors to advanced AI-ready boards. I highly recommend checking them out as they provide high-quality, affordable tools. The link to their store is in the description below. Thank you DF Robot for sponsoring this series and making STEAM education accessible to everyone. Let's move to the project. Today we use the shake sensor as a switch to change the colors of an RGB LED. Here's what you need: Arduino Uno, input, output expansion shield, digital RGB LED module, shake sensor, and jumper wires. First, attach the input-output expansion shield to the Arduino, then connect the RGB module to port 2 and the shake sensor to port 3. You can follow the diagram on your screen for guidance. Next, open the Arduino IDE and copy today's code from the GitHub repository. The link is in the description. But before uploading, let's understand how the code works. We start by connecting the RGB LED to pin 2 and the shake sensor to pin 3. The sensor uses input pull-up, which keeps it high until a shake momentarily pulls it low. The program constantly checks the sensor state. When it changes from high to low, the Arduino detects a shake. Each shake increases a variable called option by 1. When option reaches 7, it loops back to 0 using the module operator. The update LED function sets the LED color based on the value of option, as you can see on your screen. After each change, Pixel Show updates the LED, so the color transitions smoothly every time you shake the sensor. If you are new to Arduino coding, check out my dedicated class to learn all the basics and become confident with sketches like this. Once you understand the code, upload it and watch how your RGB LED responds to every shake. If you enjoyed this project, I've got something exciting for you. I'm preparing a masterclass to build your own Arduino powered drone from scratch. It's not for complete beginners, as we will cover flight control systems, wireless communication, PCB design, 3D printing, and more. You'll get full guidance to complete a working drone. If you want to be the first to know when it launches, join the waiting list using the link below. And that's it for today's class. I hope you had fun exploring tilt sensors and seeing how a shake can trigger a color-changing LED. In the next lesson, we'll build our first big project, an automatic Series Lite model. Subscribe now so you won't miss it. Until then, check out the video on your screen. I'm sure you'll pick up skills that will make your next Arduino project even more impressive.